So let's get right into it. So to connect your profiles, you have to come here, profiles and brands. And here you will see all the profiles that you connected before. And on the left, you will see all the brands that you created. To connect the profile, simply click here and then connect the profile that you want. So let's start with a LinkedIn page, for example. So just sign in, go through the authentication flow, and then you will see the profiles appear here. So today we're only gonna connect Mydrop and create the Mydrop brand. Once your profiles are connected, you can see that for every profile you have some quick actions here. You can directly create a post that will open the post editor with your profile ready. Or you can refresh the connection or sync the post from the platform to your Mydrop dashboard. So this is done automatically every time you connect a profile. You will see your old posts appear here directly, but it can also be done manually if something went wrong. Once you have your profile connected, just hit create a brand, and in this place you can just give your website and set the profiles that you want to add to this brand, and then just click create, and your brand will be created in the background, so just wait a few seconds. And there we go, so our brand was just created. So you can see it automatically uploaded a few images, the colors of your website, the font, as well as all the information about it. It pre-filled your marketing objectives, the brand voice, some AI instructions. If you want, you can change the logo and choose a new one. And then the brand is the place where we can manage everything about the brand. So you have a few tabs here where you can see, for example, the campaigns. So let's see how we can create campaigns. So let's do it like this. For example, if you have a product launch that you are doing, just give it this name, you can add a description. You can give it a branding, start date, for example, today until next week, and give it your UTM parameters. So these UTM parameters will be automatically added to every link when you create a post with a link and you selected that campaign. They will be added for your own analytics. Then you can see here the profiles that you just added before, but you can add some new ones here. You can see all the posts of the brand like that. You can filter by some period, or you can click on see on calendar, and then the calendar will be set to only show your brand here by filters, see? But we can come back to that later. Back to your brand, what else we have? We have automations. We can come back to that later. We have the link in bio, auto reply, conversation. This is the in-app team conversation about the brand here, and you can see the report. So that's it for profiles and brands. And now let's go to the next step, how to make a post and how to use the calendar.